Hey, Wafit. You know what? But my heart skipped a beat. My heart skipped a beat. Cause when I saw this article, when I saw Saleng's face, then when I saw this writing, Betway Premiership rivals. There's only two Betway Premiership rivals. Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs. Would Saleng go to Sundowns and would Pirates allow that? On loan. Not gonna happen. Then I think to myself, would they sell Saleng to Chiefs on loan? Then I'm thinking, there's no way. I'm gonna crash out if that happens. But then, 5 minutes later, we found out what it's Orbit College of it. I don't mind. Nandaba. It's better than going to Sundowns and Chiefs. Orbit College.